There are many reasons wanting to incorporate meat substitutes into your diet, even if you're not vegan or vegetarian. It's not only good for your health, but also helps the environment. However, there are many products in the market and it makes it very difficult to choose the right option. In this video, I am going to share with you how to choose the right meat substitute for the appropriate situation and its health benefits. I am Rajitha Bommakanti, registered nurse, faith-based holistic coach, and founder of Healthy You Lifestyle Center. If you want to develop healthy habits for life, one step at a time, please click the red subscribe button and the bell icon right now. Are you trying to decide which meat substitute is a better option for your meal? Consider what function is the meat substitute playing in your meal. Are you looking for a protein flavor or a texture? If you are using the meat substitute as your main protein replacement, make sure to read the label and see that it does have protein and the product is organic. Tofu has been used in Chinese cuisines for decades. It's their staple meat substitute. Tofu is very high in protein and it's a good soy-based meat substitute. Tofu sometimes it's also enhanced with calcium and vitamin B12, which is very important for vegans. But make sure that it is an organic product when they have enhancements added onto it. Tempeh is another soy-based meat substitute. But tempeh is made from whole soybeans, unlike tofu is made from soy milk. Tempeh is high in protein and it plays very good role in stir fries. When did you decide to give up meat? Was it an impulsive decision? How difficult was it for you to give up meat when you were eating meat with every single meal, every single day? Tell me in the comment section below. And continue watching this video until the end to learn about whole plant-based meat substitutes and its health benefits. And also to learn about my free offer. Jackfruit. Yes, I said jackfruit. It is a fruit. Jackfruit is a tropical fruit. That's a good substitute for pork as barbecue in pork barbecue. But just keep in mind, jackfruit is high in carbs and low in protein. It's a poor choice for nutritional substitute. Beans and legumes are affordable plant-based protein meat substitutes. They serve hearty and very filling in your meals. What's more is that they are not only high in protein, but they are unprocessed, all plant-based, whole protein meat substitutes. There are many types of beans and legumes, such as black beans, chickpeas, pinto beans, and many lentils. And each of these have its own little flavor. So they go very well with different cuisines, such as black beans and pinto beans go very well in Mexican dishes, and chickpeas go very well with Mediterranean. And these can be made into soups, burgers, stews. They work very well. Next time you're craving for a high protein vegan meal, try sloppy joe that's made with lentils. It tastes really good. These beans and legumes are high in fiber, high in protein, high in iron. There is plenty of evidence that shows that by consuming these whole plant-based beans and legumes, your blood pressure is under control, your blood sugar is under control, your insulin resistance is controlled, your cholesterol, your bad cholesterol is lowered, and it raises your high cholesterol. There is plenty of health benefits by consuming these beans and legumes. And they can be made into many different versions of your meal, such as I said, burgers, stews. Just use your imagination, be creative. You can start to love them and try different varieties and show your creation. Let me know in the comment section how your meals are turning out with these beans and legumes. Download my free Foods to Avoid, Foods to Eat to learn about what substitutes you can use for your meats. And the link for the free download is in the description box below. I am your faith-based holistic coach. Until next time, choose the right option.